We have talked about how to put vertical lines in. Let's talk about horizontal lines. I want to see my horizontal lines and I'm zoomed in. So to zoom back out, I always like to press the little house button. That takes you back to your zoom you started with. So let's now focus on putting in this top horizontal line. If vertical lines are x equals a number, horizontal lines are y equals a number. So first, let's estimate our height. It looks to be between 5 and 6. So let's just start with 5.5. Make it orange so I can see it more easily. And, okay, that's too high. So I'm going to lower it down, 5.2, 5.3. 5.3 looks pretty good. A quick zoom in just to make sure that it looks okay. I'm maybe going to take it a little bit higher. 5.4 is too high. How about 3.5? I like 3.5. Well, maybe 3. There we go, 3.3. That's where I'm going to keep it. Now, when you are doing your cutoffs on a horizontal line, you've got to specify a left end and a right end. It's very similar to the restrictions we did before, except now we're going to use x's, since x is what measures sideways. So I'm looking here at this end. I want to keep the part of the line where the x's are to the right or greater than this number, which looks to be about negative 4. I don't know. I'm going to start with negative 4.2. Okay, that's a little too far. I'm noticing here that my line goes past the edge. Let's try 4.1. That's not bad. I'm maybe going to go 1.2. I like that a little bit better. And close off my brace. Okay, let's now do a cutoff on the other side. I'm going to zoom in so it's a little easier to see. All right, so for my upper end, this time I want to keep the x's that are to the left. I want to keep that lesser portion, so a less than symbol. And it looks to be about, let's try 4.2 again. Okay, that's a little bit too high. 4.1, a little bit too low. 1, there we go. Maybe just to be consistent, how does 1.2 look? 1.2 looks fine. I like 1.3 a little better. Okay, there you go. You've cut off your line segment that you want in the middle. There it is. Let's do the same thing now for this line down here. So first, let's set our height. The height looks to be right around -1. Now it's not quite. That's a little bit low. So I'm going to try, how about 0.9? That's not bad. 0.95. 3. I'm just doing some guess and check until I find something I like. I like the look of -0.94. Now, just like with the restrictions before, you can do this all at once. You can do a less than x less than, and you'll put in your left cutoff and your right cutoff. So let's make our best guesses. How about -3.2 to start with? And then on the other end, positive 3.2 to end with. And then we'll adjust these as we need. Over here, the -3.2, well, that went too far. So let's adjust. -3.1, that's not bad. How about 1.5? That's too much. I like 1.2. Again, just a little guess and check. And then on this side, 3.2 is maybe a little bit too far. How about like a 1.8 then? 1.5. I like 1.5 is okay. How about 1.6? 1.6 looks pretty good. So I think I'll leave it like that. A quick zoom out just to see how our lines look. And I'm going to turn off the picture, turn it back on just to see the progress we're making. I think things look pretty good. As you always should, once you put in some new lines, hit that save so you don't lose the work that you did.